Hi YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. Today you will be joining me in making a face mask. Hope everyone is staying safe. Remember that we're all in this together with this pandemic. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get started. To make the mask, I am using here a basin as a template for adult size mask, or you may also use any large round plate for adult and medium sized plate for kids. Next, cut out 3 patterns, one for filler, one for the front side, and one for the back side of the mask. For each pattern, fold it into half and cut it. Fold again the material into quarter size and cut out. And do the same thing to the rest of the pattern. Now we're going to put together the cutout material, and be sure to arrange it showing the outer part when you start to sew the pattern. After sewing the curved side of the pattern, trim the excess part. Repeat the process you did with the first part of the pattern. For both patterns, double fold the edge and sew. Sew both patterns in a reverse way. Be sure to leave an opening to have an access to put an additional filter. Close the remainder open part of the mask by sewing the edges, and then reverse the mask through the filter pocket. Fold and sew both sides to create the piece where you can tie the garter to hold the mask. And there you go, you've got your own piece of protection against COVID. Thank you guys for watching. See you next video. And guys, if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe. Hit the bell button and give this a like. Till next time, bye!